Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we have a power bank here for you folks. It claims to be 10,000 milliamps. Unfortunately, it's just over 7,000, just about 8,000 milliamp. I have a special meter that actually checks to see if this is actually correct. It's just about under 8,000, so 7,700 and change. So I'm not too impressed with it. I mean, that's not true. Well, yeah, it is true. It has capability of doing wireless charging. Unfortunately, it does not do fast charging wirelessly. It says it does, but it doesn't. I've tried almost every iPhone known to man, well, wireless capability. The iPhone 12, the XR, the SE, every phone that has wireless capability that's newer, that has 5G capability, will not charge on fast charging on this device. I've tried it. It keeps on, it never doesn't even charge at all. However, when you plug it in, it works perfectly fine, but not wirelessly. On a Samsung device or an Android phone, it doesn't charge fast charging either, just does standard charging, which crazy. It says fast charging error, and then it goes back to normal charging. So it takes like an hour or so to charge for 15% of the battery, and I thought that was crazy. However, if you use the ports, any one of these ports and the Typ-C, it will charge in fast charging mode, which is impressive. I'll have close-up pictures of this. It does look like a phone because it has these. These are actually numbers. They're in 25% increments. It goes 25, 50, 75, and 100%. And if you're charging in fast mode, the light will be green. And if you're charging in normal mode, the light will be blue. There's a little circle right here that changes color based on the charging output current. So I'll let you know what you're doing. Green is the highest you can go, blue is medium, and nothing at all is basic charging. You know, it's just regular charging mode. So those are the three modes. But I don't want to beat the death out of this thing. I will be probably giving this a 4-star rating because it's not as good as I expected, but it does work. But it's not 10,000 milliamps, and I hate when companies like this lie. They make it seem like it's bigger than it actually is, and it's not. I bought 10,000 milliamp battery packs that actually are 10,000 milliamp. This is not. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.